Welcome to our video about TM5340B Handheld Triaxial Teslameter. 1. Connect the probe. Aim at the probe at the slot and insert it directly. 2. Function buttons. Press power button to turn it on or off. The left, middle and right buttons correspond to the three function options at the bottom of the screen. The left, middle and right buttons correspond to settings, hold and storage functions. Confirm settings and switch functions. Press to move the cursor position of the screen. Press to reset to 0 and make the current magnetic field displayed as 0. Turn on the device. Product information. You can see the following product information. Range settings. You can choose auto range, or 30, or 300, or 3000 millitesla range. When the unit is millitesla. Alarm settings. Set the alarm value of X, Y, Z vector sum. When entering the alarm interface, the measured value exceeding the limit will be displayed in red. DC to AC switch. Press to switch between DC to AC measurement. Data management. You can find the saved measurement data here. Press to clear the data. Parameter settings. Set the unit, microtesla or milligauss, sound, on or off, and AC display. You can also set screen sleep time and clock, etc. Probe display. Measurement display. Place the probe in the magnetic field to measure the magnetic field in the XYZ direction. Thanks for watching.